This here RVerTV. How you doing? We are just leaving the Air Museum. We're gonna head into town and go check out the cheese places. The big one's Tillamook. There's another one called Blue Heron, French cheese or something like that. Anyway, it looked kind of cool. So let's go check them both out. We're about 3 miles, 4 miles south of town. This is 101 north. We're heading into the town of Tillamook itself. Elks Lodge RV Park was 6 miles south. The Air Museum, I think, was 4. Alright, here we go. Welcome to Tillamook. Big sign there that says, welcome to Tillamook. So let's check out Tillamook. This looks like a one-way. They got a one-way in, one-way out. There's a motel, the Big Apple, Red Apple. Small town USA. Gotta love it. I love these little towns, driving through them. Churches. Some gas stations. See what we have up here. Ford dealer right there. Because along the coast there's not that many big towns. Most of them are this size. There's a Chevron. What are they getting for fuel? $3.39. It keeps getting more as we go up. Heading north. Wells Fargo there. Aha, another gas station. What are they getting? Same. $3.39. Okay, we want 101 north. Both these cheese places are in the north end of town. I drove through here 3 years ago. I only stopped at the Tillamook one. I didn't do this Blue Heron one. But we'll do both. I'll stop at both of them. Probably even fly the drone. Okay, looks like a town park there on the right. Pretty. Very nice little town. Okay, shouldn't be too much farther up here. I know there was a Fred Meyer's up here on the left too, a big grocery store. I'll probably stock up there tomorrow before I leave. Here we are, wine tasting, cheese. This is it. Blue Heron French Cheese Company. I don't know if this was here 3 years ago or not. It had to have been. I just didn't pay attention. For all the ads, they got a petting farm. You can pet the animals. This is a Harvest Host site. It's listed on Harvest Host. We'll ask about that. I see a couple RVs here. Well, let me get parked and we'll run around and get some video. Like an old barn building there. Blue Heron. Very nicely done. They got some dollars tied up. Got electric chargers there for cars. Gotta have the chickens. Look at them things. Bunch of noisemakers, huh? That's funny. Oh, they even got a sign for Harvest Host. RV parking only, no tents. Check in. Okay, let me get the drone out. Let's fly the drone. There's no restrictions here, so I'm going to launch a drone. Up we go. Cool looking old tractor there, huh? Look at all them chickens in their coop. Now, I don't know if they make their own cheese here or they just sell it. Like up at the Tillamook, you can actually see how they make it. Not sure here. Pretty place, huh? Well, let's go up a little higher. Let's really check out Tillamook. Over there, see the water way off? That's Tillamook Bay. There's a bay here that actually goes all the way out to the ocean. Look at all the farmland. I know there's a lot of dairy. Well, that other cheese place, they own a good chunk of this town. All the farms, the dairy farms, the milk. That's looking straight back at downtown. We just drove through there. There's 101, Highway 101. Look how green and pretty. We're a few miles from the ocean too. We're inland. Pretty nice. Very nice place. Very pretty. We'll have to go inside, check it out. Plus got to taste some cheese too. I know that Tillamook one, they had a big, like a buffet line. You could taste cheese. Alrighty, let's go inside. See what they got. A little picnic area. You can sit out here, probably have your wine and cheese. I don't drink, so the wine thing I don't really care about. Welcome to Blue Heron. Alright, let's go in. Wow. Fancy, huh? Big old gift shop. They got everything in here. Look, all the bottles of wine. Look at that. Huh. They got a tasting bar here. You can taste your wine. Got a deli counter, cheese tasting, food. They even have a dining room here. Down, enjoy your food. I'm sure it's good. And buy a gift. All right. Well, let's hit the road. Let's go up the other one. Check it out. Alrighty, well, I talked to them inside. You do not, I repeat, do not have to be a member of Harvest Host. They allow RVs to stay here. All you do is check in. You can only stay up to 2 nights, but you do not have to be a member of Harvest Host. They are a Harvest Host thing, but you don't have to be. You can stay here if you want. Call ahead. You fill out a little form, and that's it. You can stay in your RV here at the Blue Heron in Tillamook for free. Down description, there are links how to support the channel. Buy me a cup of coffee. Get a t-shirt, coffee mug. Shop on Amazon. It all helps. And everyone that's done it already, thank you, thank you, thank you. right, off to the other one, the Tillamook. I don't know if they call it a factory or what. Store. Anyway, it's right up the road. Let's go check it out. All right, take care. Talk soon.